It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm coming at you guys with a new video. Focus. Okay. I'm coming at you guys with a new video. Something new that I'm going to be trying out on this channel. It is going to be reviewing room spray scents. So I'm going to be reviewing new room scents and something new for my channel to see how this goes for the audience. Guys, let me know how you like it in the comments down below. But let's not talk too much. Let me get into what I do know about them. I'm going to be trying out, it is called Next Memory. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what the bottle looks like. Next Memory. It is from Portugal. Somebody went ahead and traveled to Portugal and brought home these room sprays. So I decided, why not give it a shot at reviewing them? As of right now, as far as I know, you can only find this on their website, which I believe is, don't quote me on this, nextmemory.eu. And this is what the website looks like, if you guys can see that. My lights are bright. But the first fragrance, well, this is how it comes packaged. Cute, very simple, very streamlined. And then they give you this handle separately. So yeah, this is what your bottles would look like. This first fragrance here is brown coffee over patchouli. Yeah. And let's see, the base notes. Yeah, so we have brown coffee over patchouli. They do retail for 55 euros. You guys can do the correlations. I think that's still about 60 bucks US, if I'm not mistaken. And shipping is $25. And so it says lemon peel and bitter orange gives a fresh opening to the intense aroma of roasted coffee beans, which is mingled with bitterly cumin and absinthium. Don't put me that. Balsamic notes of styrex and a sweet coumarin on the base. I'm gonna put the notes over here. Top notes is lemon peel, bitter orange. The heart notes is petite grain, absinthium, and coffee. And then the base notes is coumarin, styrex, cumin, vanilla, and light patchouli. Once this is sprayed and it sits for a while, I smell the patchouli. A Fond first spray. I smell vanilla. I smell vanilla. This one by far is my favorite. I think it smells so good, but I know it's because of the vanilla and patchouli in it, mostly the patchouli. That makes this one my favorite. Then next up, I have white tea over palm leaf. Don't ask me where they got these names from. They could have did so much better. It's freaking terrible. But this one, it has notes of bergamot, orange, and pineapple, recreating the sun-drenched mornings, which turn into a fresh herd of white tea and neroli on a base of tobacco leaf and white musk. You definitely get the musk after it's been sitting for a while as the base notes. Again, I'll pop the notes over here. The top notes is bergamot, orange, pineapple. Heart notes is white tea, neroli, tobacco leaf. And then the base notes is cedar and white musk. I am definitely getting the cedar and white musk. What I'm smelling has been sitting for, I believe, 24 hours. The first spray, I don't like that. I'm guessing it's the white tea. It definitely smells like tea leaves. Whenever you make tea and you smell the tea bag, that's what this smells like when you first spray it. Definitely let it sit. I'm just breezing through this. Next up, we have Blue Violet over Sandal. We have Blue Violet over Sandal. I'm not saying any more of the prices because they're all 55 euros. And then Blue Violet Sandal says a sensual clarity of noble sandalwood that infuses the air with an exceptional scent, which unlocks memories and makes every moment intense, powered by woody notes of cedar and cardamom. This one makes me cough. The base note on this, I'm not liking that. I don't know what it is that I'm smelling, but tickles the back of my throat. This one, top notes is cardamom, pink pepper. Heart notes is iris, amber, violet, sandalwood. And then the base notes is the musk and cedarwood. I'm guessing it's one of the woods that I don't like. Yeah, no, I don't like that one at all. Yeah, once it's been sitting, it smells very woody. The first spray smells like alcohol. The first spray, the scent smells like, for me, it's bringing back a memory of a night out, of too much tequila. If you guys know, you know. That's all that scent is bringing to mind. And I'm not with it. I don't like that one. So, yeah, no. The last one that we have is this one. I swear this is the only one that is like this yellow. And this one is khaki olive, khaki. I'm really bad at this. This one is khaki olive over thyme. And this one is a unique blend of green olives and olive leaf intertwined with soft herbal lemon thyme, bergamot, and notes of musk and amber. Top notes, bergamot, lime. Heart notes is olive leaf, lemon, thyme. And then the base notes is sandalwood, amber, and musk. I think smelling it here, it smells a little masculine, but yeah, this one leans pretty masculine, at least after it's been sitting. I'm gonna have a headache after this. Upon like smelling it first, it definitely, I like it better upon first spray. It smells a little fruity. Maybe that's the olive. The more it dries down and the more I smell it, the more I want to cough. But yeah, these, out of all of the ones that I told you guys about. I definitely like the brown coffee and patchouli. This one has the most complex scent that I have ever smelled before. Well, out of these, this has the most complex scent that I've smelled out of these, not before. I would purchase this again. It has been repurchased again, but me personally, I would purchase it again. And spray it. It smells, it gives me like Starbucks, but like fall Starbucks. So like with your vanillas and your pecans and your hazelnut syrups. That's what this smells like to me. I just can't stop smelling it. It smells so good. So yeah, this was a quick video. Just wanted to let you guys know a little bit about some room sprays that you may not ever heard of. Again, you can only find it online if you are in the US, and it is nextmemory.eu that you can purchase it. And I don't think that they're too expensive. I've heard of more expensive ones. They're not like your dollar store ones or ones that you can get from Bath and Body, but they also smell better. They're more complex, have deeper notes and all of that. So definitely worth it. And you get this big old bottle. So it is, how big is the bottle? The bottles are 500 milliliters or 16.9 fluid ounces. And that is all of the bottles. And it's on the bottom here. Yeah, I don't think there's much more to talk about. Yeah, nothing on the tag when you get it. Just the front seems to be in English. The back is in English. Just says don't swallow and keep away from children. So, yeah. Let me know how you like this. Hopefully I'll get better at this as I go along in time. But yeah, let me know how you guys like this. If you want me to post any more, or if you're just like, girl, shut up. Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, y'all, bye.